I like water. I drink water all the time. I hardly ever drink soda. Yesterday I drank a can of soda, but that was for Father's Day. That was a special occasion. And that made my stomach hurt. I don't know why I'm doing it the day after, but I'm gonna chug a whole can of soda for you. And if I'm gonna chug something, I'd rather have it be something good. Who loves orange soda? I love orange soda. Does Alex love orange soda? I do, I do, I do, I do, I do. Ooh. Oh, caffeine. Cheers. Ow! There, you happy? This sparks an idea. Let's have a burping contest. I'll burp, and then you show me yours. That doesn't sound right. I'll burp, and then you show me a video response with your burp, and we'll see who wins. Go. Question, what's your favorite soda? And if you don't like soda like myself and you drink water, you can't choose water. You have to choose a soda. Happy birthday to Maria, Kimberly, Joanna, Maddie, and Anupama. See everybody tomorrow. We'll miss you, Katie Bug.